Okay. So first thing first, we are a class of 25 as on today. 25 members as on today. Okay. So in this session, we have 15 of us who have joined, 16 including me. So 10 are missing. The reason why we are having the class session today is to sort out this gap in between what is our actual strength and how many are part of the WhatsApp group. And are these members who are part of the WhatsApp group are part of the Cameo group as well. First question to all of you. If I send a message in Cameo, do you guys actually get it or how is it? You receive my messages in Cameo? Okay, Shekhar. Anyone else? No? Okay. So we need to sort that out. Leah, Mani, tell me Mani and Prabhu. Okay, just a second. Okay, today I had sent a message by 7:38 in Cameo. Can all of you just check? Have you received and let me know what the message is? Right away, please. Right. Okay. Others? Okay. So those who have not received any messages in Cameo, please reach out to the concerned, Mamata or whoever is responsible from your end, from the ERP team. Get this rectified, get this sorted. The reason is we need this Cameo messaging as well. Unless otherwise you guys are there, any kind of message that are posted there might not reach you. So please do that. And the recent journey, Shekhar is here, right? Okay. How did you get through to me? Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Anyone else who has received my message in Cameo? Anyone else? All of you should talk, please. Who's this? Divyadashni, right? Okay. So we have Lakshmi Priya, Sujita Sri. Yeah. Okay, Sujita. Okay. So get it sorted. Okay. Cameo messaging is as important as our WhatsApp group. Get it sorted. Okay. Moving on. We have uh, moved to the fourth week of the semester. 3 weeks attendance have been logged. Have you guys checked your attendance for the past 3 weeks? No? Okay. Right. Who have not checked it? The reason why I'm asking is there are quite a few who have been absent for the past 3 weeks. I just want. Sorry, Sujita. Okay. Which department are you from, Sujita? EC. There are many people from EC who are part of our group, man. Nobody helped you out here. என்னங்கடா இப்படி பண்றீங்க மணிகண்ட பிரபு லிகிதா லீனா Sorry? What I'm asking is WhatsApp group la when did you join? Okay. So you didn't receive the WhatsApp group link before that is what you're saying, correct? That's what I'm asking others. Makale, I see at least how many? Okay. We have 16 from ECE in this slot. 16, 1 6 out of the 25. என்ன அப்படி பண்றீங்க? Ganapati. Is Ganapati here? Illa. Ganapati is anybody has an awareness about who Ganapati V is? தெரியுமா கணபதி யாருன்னு? Anyone? Mr. Ganapati V. No idea. Sai Yoganand. ஏய், தெரியுமா தெரியாதாடா ஏதாவது சொல்லுங்கடா. அதுதான் கேக்குறேன். கணபதி தெரியுமா? கணபதி இல்ல. Sai Yoganand is absent for the past 3 weeks, which means he has not received the links. He is not aware. That is the possible answer for it. I need him to join the group today. So it is your responsibility. Where are Roshan B. B. Roshan. You guys are aware of him? I'm talking to all the 16 EC members. Actually, 14. Two of you are not. Divyadarshini and Roshan is not from EC, correct? Okay. Lokesh. Lokesh is here? Adusumalli Lokesh? No. First 2 weeks absent, Ravanaka. You know that, right? Hmm. Right. And we have Sneha, Sri Priya, and Sujita. Missed out on the first 3 weeks. So, see, I understand the plight, but I may not be able to revisit the attendance and change it for you. I'll tell you why. The procedure to change anything, any corrections that needed to be done in attendance has to go through the principal. Okay? I'm not doing that. Right? Unless otherwise, if it is a mistake from my end, I'm not doing it. Sneha, Sripriya, and Sujita, please find a way out for this. Reach out to me. We'll find a solution if possible. Sarya, is Sneha here? Right. Sneha, Sripriya, Sujita, Sujita Sri, right? Yes. Sai Yoganand, Ganapati. So these guys have to find a way to sort this out because three, continuous attendance means you are in a soup for the next for this semester in terms of the attendance. Let's find a way for it. Have a chat with me. Okay. When we move on to the others, let's say, yeah, Giri Shankar, Gokul, Lokesh Kumar, Srinivasan K, Vishnu S, Veluswami Muthukumar, Abhishek, and Hansul Ansar. Idila, except for Hansul, all the other mentioned here, Giri Shankar, Gokul, Lokesh Kumar, Srinivasan, Vishnu, Veluswami Muthukumar, and Abhishek, they joined only in the last week and they have been absent since. So I'm not sure if they have joined the group. We need to find that out. Anybody have an idea which department they are from? Srinivasan is there? Oh, triple யாடா? Okay. Srinivasan மத்த எல்லாரும் உனக்கு தெரியுமா யார் யாருன்னு? Shekhar, I know da. I don't. That's okay. Shekhar, I have already included. போன வாரம் attendance வரைக்கும் I am talking about. Shekhar has joined only now, yeah. Okay. So yesterday only you enrolled, huh? Srinivasan. But then your name reflected last week itself, da. Okay. Anyways, Srinivasan. That's okay. That's okay. We'll take care. So are you sure, Srinivasan? நேத்து தான் நீங்க enroll பண்ணீங்களா? ம். Okay. ஏன்னா எனக்கு வந்து list was given and you were part of the group last week itself. Okay. So I marked you absent for the last week. So anyways. So, ம். சரி பார்க்கலாம். Yes, Sujita. No, he has gotten. He has. He has. No, he's joined. He's joined. He's joined. He's inside. Thanks, Sujita. Right. And yeah, so these guys, again, reach out to me. We'll have to discuss. Maybe stay back. Srini, Vishnu, Shekhar, Giri Shankar, Lokesh Kumar, Gokul, and Abhishek, Veluswamy Muthukumar. Please stay back after the session in the same meeting, Google Meet. We'll have a discussion. சரியா? Right. See, there is one confusion for me. I'm yet to understand how this is going to work because from now, another 2 or 3 weeks, I feel students will still be enrolling to courses. So their attendance for the past 3 or 4, 5 weeks, I'm not sure how that is going to play out when it comes to attendance calculation for the semester. I'm not really sure because we are losing out one third of the um, actual sessions that we have. So I'm really not sure how this is going to play out. But for Sneha, Sripriya, Sujita, they've been part of the course since day one, Ilya. Just that you didn't receive the link. Correct, Sujita? Right. So அதுக்கு என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னு தெரியல. But still have a conversation with me on this. We need to find a way out. Okay. This is no fault of anyone. This is going to happen, and you guys are not the only ones in the whole college where you guys have missed out because the link have not reached you on time. So yeah, so let's share the blame, but we need to find a solution for that, all three of you. In fact, Sai Yoganand, can you talk, da? What happened to you? You don't check your attendance and all? Better do that. I have marked you absent for the past 3 weeks, Sai. Please do and have a conversation with me on this. Let's find if there is any possible solution for it because as of now, I don't see any solution. So to make any corrections, I'll have to go through the principle, which is not looking good for me. So I'm not really sure on that side. I don't think I will be able to help you in that front, but I'm not locking that door yet. But we'll find out a way. Okay, and somebody please help me trace out this Ganapati V. He's being part of the course since day one, and he's not given any presence in the group in Moodle. Nothing from him. I want to reach out to Ganapati V 6079. Right, he's an ECE guy 6079. Anyone have an idea who Ganapati V is? Or is he like a Bigfoot? Da? We only talk about in theory. Huh? Ganapati V is real, I guess. So somebody please help me. Yes, money. Okay, he's not from your class. Yeah. Okay, okay. Please help me find that guy. Okay, right. And so triple E is double two. Sorry, 2122 1810, and anything starts from five. Yeah, that's triple E. Am I right? Roshan B, unga class, anyone else? Ama. I'll give the number 2122 1810 5301. Sorry. Okay. Can you reach out to him? Has been part of the course from the second week itself, but he's absent for the last 2 weeks, which means he was not in the course for the first week. The next 2 weeks he is absent. So please find him, pull him in the group in none of the courses, huh? Hey, அது தெரியும்டா. I'm only asking you to bring him there. Find him, bring him there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Do it today. Don't wait. Ask him to reach out to me. Talk to me. Okay, I think I've covered the attendance part of it. And yes, okay, now coming to the course itself. How many of you had a good learning in the past couple of weeks in terms of the videos, in terms of the MCQs? Because I remember the first session that we had, I asked you guys to come up with clarifications and doubts if there is any. So, since there was no questions raised, there was no doubts in terms of the course itself, in terms of the doubts in terms of topics there. I actually take it that you guys don't have any clarifications or any doubts. But, that's hardly true. Um, I just need to understand if you guys really spend time in terms of watching the video. The videos are maximum 5 to 8 minutes. So, how many of you honestly uh, went through the video? Roshan has joined us. Hi, Roshan. How are you, da? Mr. Roshan, can you speak? Yeah, Roshan. Hi. What happened, da? You were part of the course since the second week of the semester, but you're not part of the group. What happened? You didn't get the link or what? Okay, Roshan. I have marked you absent for the past 2 weeks. You know that? Have you checked your attendance? You have to somehow reach out. You can't be, waiting for the link to come to you, right? So somehow I've been trying to reach out to you anyways. Right? Thanks for joining. Wait, don't, after the session is over, please wait in this Google Meet itself. We will have a conversation about that. Okay, we'll come back to that. Okay, so what was I talking about before, Roshan? Right, not you, da. I understand. Before I came to you, what was I talking about? Not to you, Roshan. I'm talking to the class. Right. Please answer me. Honestly, சொல்லுங்க. Did you guys, honestly watch the video, learn anything at all? No. Uh, okay. There is no clarifications, no doubts to ask, nothing. அதோட ஏன் நம்மளாம் அப்படியே படிக்கிறோம் ஆனஸ்டா இருக்கணுமா இல்லையா see what I mean is unless otherwise you watch it and understand it there's no point இப்போ வர உங்களுக்கு இன்னும் ஈஸியா போச்சு whenever you want to you can watch the video and take the MCQ even in half sleep so I'm pretty worried And that's where I'm coming from. I'm not blaming anyone. I'm just worried the pattern itself is new for all of us in terms of watching a video and learning, and you don't have to actually ask any questions to the staff concerned. In that case, I'm a little worried. See, my dependency for the students seem nil, zero. I don't want Praveen, right? So that's the idea that I'm getting. So unless otherwise you reach out, I wouldn't be able to, gauge what's happening. I wouldn't be able to understand if there is anything else that we need to do to make it more interactive, make it more productive. See, we will have an objective for everything that we do. Even in your resume, you mention an objective. For us, right? In this semester, our objective is to not just the syllabus, meet the syllabus requirements. We'll have to move from point A to point B. And what is point A? Wherever you are. And what is point B? Wherever you want to be in terms of professional skills, right? So I am there to help you. Unless otherwise we discuss, we have a conversation, we won't be able to do that. Please reach out, right? Am I making any sense, guys? No? Your sleep time, you're spoiling our sleep time, huh?